Want Adobe Firefly on your PC? I'll show you how, fast. First, open Google Chrome. In the address bar type firefly.adobe.com and press enter. Adobe Firefly lets you generate images and short videos using AI, and it can integrate with advanced language and multimodal models like ChatGPT-5, Gemini 2.5 and more for smarter prompts. To install Firefly as a desktop app, click Chrome's three dots in the top right. In the menu, hover over the cast/save and share area, then click Install this app. Now, close all Chrome windows, then open the Firefly app from your desktop. Done, and enjoy this quick access from your desktop. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Any questions? Drop a comment.